Welcome to the channel. My name is Rohit. In this video, I'm going to cover all important current affairs of September 2nd week in English. For PDF of this video, link is in the description. For PDF, you can also join our Telegram group Next Exam IQ. Simply, you have to search our channel name. If you are visiting our channel for the first time, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for daily updates. Now let's start this important video. This video will be in your test form, so try to answer by yourself. So the first question is, on which day International Literacy Day is observed every year? So the correct answer for this question is 8th September. This day was first time observed in the year 1967. It aims to highlight the importance of literacy to individuals, communities and society. So every year on 8th September we observe International Literacy Day. Second one is, who has won Formula 1 Italian Grand Prix 2020? So the correct answer for this question is Pierre Gasly. He's from France. Next one, which of the following country has developed a bronze statue of Indian origin Dr. Dwarkanath Kotnes? So the correct answer for this question is option number A, China. Next is, recently IIT Delhi has launched Chakra Day Cop to decontaminate N95 masks. So in this question you have to answer who is the director of IIT Delhi. So the correct answer for this question is V. Ram Gopal Rao. Next one is, recently Union Minister of Education has launched a mobile app named English Pro. Okay. So in this question you have to answer, recently new education policy 2020 has replaced the education policy of which year? This is the question for you. The new education policy 2020 has replaced the education policy of 34-year-old education policy. So the correct answer for this question is 1986. Next is, recently Ian Bell announced his retirement. You have to answer, he represented England in which sports? So the correct answer for this question is cricket. Next one is, on which day International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies has been observed? And this day has been observed on 7th September. In this year we have observed this day for the first time. So the correct answer for this question is 7th September. Next is, who has been appointed as the new president of Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers for the period of 2 years? MD and CEO of Maruti Suzuki. So correct answer is Kenichi Ayukawa is the correct answer for this question. Next one is, recently Vodafone Idea rebranded itself as VI. And now in this question you have to answer who is the chairman of Vodafone Idea. And this is the new rebrand of Vodafone Idea. So the chairman of Vodafone Idea is Kumar Mangalam Birla. Next is, Infosys acquired product design firm Kaleidoscope Innovation Company, US based company, for 42 million. Now in this question you have to answer who is the CEO of Infosys, who acquired this firm. The correct answer for this question is Salil Parekh. Next one is, which of the following state has relaunched old scheme Swayam to provide self-employment opportunities for youth? So this scheme has been relaunched by the Assam government. Next one is, which of the following state / union territory has launched Sparrow portal for JKAS officer, Jammu and Kashmir Administrative Service Officers? So which state or UT has launched this portal? That is Sparrow, and the full form of this Sparrow is Smart Performance Appraisal Report Recording Online Window. So this has been launched by Union Territory Jammu and Kashmir. Who has been appointed as the secretary in the Lok Sabha with effect from 1st September? So the correct answer for this question is Utpal Kumar Singh. Which company has been roped in as the official partner of IPL from 2020 to 2022? Title sponsor is of course Dream 11, and the official sponsor for 2 years is now Unacademy. Recently, India High Commissioner has gifted books to 100 universities and colleges to mark Mujib Barsho. In which country? This is the question for you. So, correct answer for this question is Bangladesh. India's High Ambassador to Bangladesh is Vikram Dorai Swamy. Next is, according to United Nations Chief Antonio Guterres, global tourism lost how much amount in last 6 months due to COVID-19 pandemic? So the correct answer for this question is $320 billion. Next is, and these are some questions. Which African country has become the first to end sleeping sickness, African trypanosomiasis? So which country has become the first to end this? And you know, the African continent is now free from polio also. So the country is Togo. Next is which of the following state topped in State Business Reform Action Plan 2019? So this list has been topped by the state government of Andhra Pradesh, and among UT topped by our capital Delhi. Who has released that report titled The State of Young Child in India? So this report has been released by our Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu, and according to this report, among best performing state, list is topped by Kerala, and among worst performing state, list is topped by Bihar. Next is, which of the following country has become the first Arab country to give paternity leave to fathers? So correct answer for this question is UAE. Next one is, who has become the first Indian footballer to have a stadium named after him? So the correct answer for this question is Baichung Bhutia. And Baichung Bhutia Football Stadium is the name of this stadium, and Baichung Bhutia is from former footballer from Sikkim, and he has become the first Indian footballer to play 100 international matches. Who is the author of the book titled The Commonwealth of Cricket? So the author of this book is Ramchandra Guha. Next is, which of the following state among or UT has launched this campaign, like basically relaunched this campaign 10 baje 10 hafte 10 baje 10 minute? So this campaign has been relaunched by Delhi. Who is the author of the book The One and Only Sparkula? So the author of this book is Channing Tatum. Next is, who has been appointed as the president of Federation of Automobile Dealer Association? So the correct answer for this question is Vinkesh Gulati. Government of Australia has appointed former cricketer Matthew Hayden and Indian origin politician Lisa Singh as a trade envoy for advancing business ties with India. So you have to remember this point. President of USA Donald Trump has announced Wilmington, North Carolina as the first World War II heritage city. So you have to remember this point also. This is important. Recently, India has banned PUBG. As you know, now PUBG is banned, and other 118 Chinese apps by using which section of Information Technology Act? So the correct answer for this question is 69A. Who has been appointed as India's next ambassador to Italy? So the correct answer for this question is Dr. Nina Malhotra. Which of the following state / union territory, not union territory, its state has launched Kifayati LED Bulb Yojana? So this has been launched by the state government of Punjab. Who has become the first woman to head Canadian Space Agency? So the correct answer is Lisa Campbell. Which of the following bank has launched second inning tap VRS यानी कि voluntary retirement scheme 2020 scheme? So which of the following bank has launched this scheme? You have to answer. So this has been launched by the State Bank of India. Pashu Sanjeevani mobile clinic for animals has been started in which Indian state? So this has been started Karnataka. Who has been appointed as the chairman of World Gold Council? Randy Smallwood is the correct answer. Who has been appointed as the national president of Women India Chambers of Commerce and Industry? Correct answer for this question is Kavita Lakhani. Which of the following country will host Global Aerospace Summit in last week of September? So this will be hosted by UAE. Which of the following has tied up with MPay payment system to launch cardless cash withdrawal facility from ATM? So the bank is RBL Bank. Which country will host Quad Meet 2+2 Dialogue Meet? So this will be hosted by, in this Quad Meet, the 4 countries, that is India, Australia, Japan and US will take part. So this will be hosted by our country India. Which country has assured India that it will follow a policy of no arms supply to Pakistan? So this assurance has been given by Russia. And the final question of today's video is, recently the Jammu and Kashmir administration has formed 10-member biodiversity council headed by, so who will head this council? So this council will be headed by Mohit Gera. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, do share, like and subscribe. Thank you, best of luck and take care. See you soon.